Hey folks, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, here to talk to you today a little bit about control arms, the different offerings that JKS Manufacturing has, and how they might benefit you and your ride. The first arm I'd like to talk to you about today is the factory Jeep JK control arm. As you can see, it's a square tubular construction, somewhat thin-walled, great bushing design. This arm is designed for great on-road manners, a quiet ride, and a good ride. Limits articulation a little bit, but its compromises are based on longevity, a quiet ride down the road, and a good comfortable ride for your stock vehicle. So not an overall bad product offering at all by Jeep. I actually think they did a really good job with the JK when they designed that. The control arm was very stout. So this is a lower and this is an upper here. Again, very small tubular design. Definitely will withstand what it needs to withstand. So now we'll take a look at what JKS offers in an upgraded version, and we'll start with our J-Link arm. So this is the JKS J-Link arm. As you can see, just from me picking it up, there's some weight here, some more material. So this is a 2-inch, 250 wall diameter material. It does share a very similar OE style bushing. So you're gonna get that great on-road comfort, a quiet ride, no harshness, and great wear. It's gonna last a very long time. The J-Link arms we offer for our lifted applications for the Jeep JK, TJ, and the XJ and other models as well. They're a little bit longer than stock, and that's going to help you set that caster angle in the front and in the rear. They should be right around the same length as stock for a lower, the upper be a little bit longer, that type of thing. So it's just going to adjust that geometry. So again, when we're talking the J-Link arm, we're a big strength upgrade, big strength upgrade. An OE style bushing, for that great longevity, and a change in geometry ever so slightly to fit most models. Moving on from the J-Link arm, we're gonna go into our J-Flex arm. And in this line, this is where we introduce our adjustability. So we've got a forged flex end on this. We got a forged housing here. We got a pair of urethane bushings on either side of what we'll call the uniball. Fully rebuildable and serviceable, obviously greasable as well. We offer service tools to rebuild these and work with them. Your big benefits on an arm like this, again, we're the 2-inch, 250 wall tubing, so we're extremely strong, extremely strong. We've got our OE bushing on one end. This, again, goes back to ride comfort and quality and maintenance intervals. And then we've got our adjustability. We've got our jam nut here, and you can simply adjust the arm to whatever length is needed to suit your needs. So that be a lower, or upper, a front, or a rear. We have applications for all on your JK and TJs and your front of your XJs and all those Jeep models. So again, this joint here, you're gonna get about 15 degrees of misalignment here. So this is gonna add flex, for your off-road performance. This is gonna be a great upgrade. Something you're gonna service this every now and again. You really are. It's kind of part of the maintenance routine for a vehicle that you use off-road a lot, so it's something to look at there. But again, a high quality piece, nice jam nut and a swedged end on the tube for ease of tightening this, and so a great high performance upgrade for your Jeep. Now we're going to go into the J-Axis arm. And this is a very, very big departure difference from a standard adjustable control arm. We're down here where our 2-inch, 250 wall tubing, and here we have something a little different. So this is our adjusting shaft, but you'll see we're missing the jam nut. And so the emphasis here is that we have an OE style rubber bushing at both ends of an arm, but we have adjustability and flex built into the arm. This arm has infinite misalignment. We talked about the 15 degrees of misalignment in the standard flex joint. With this design, we don't lock this down. This arm is able to move and articulate with your Jeep. We're riding on a fine threaded, bearing type material in there. We're greasing it, and this is gonna last a very, very long time, but provide infinite flex. In our opinion, this would be the ultimate control arm for your Jeep. Back to strength and longevity with the bushings and the material, and then just infinite flex. So you put all 8 of these on a Jeep, and you are going to get, you know, everything you have out of that Jeep as far as both ends are able to move freely, you know, a very smooth, you know, ride, you know, and this is on the street and on the trail. But even on the trail, very smooth ride, no binding, no issues, and really able to utilize all that the control arm has to offer. So that's just a brief rundown of these JKS products and control arms. By all means, if you have any questions, comments, or you know, would like some additional information on these arms, contact us, jksmfg.com, our JKS Manufacturing Facebook and Instagram pages. And hey, thanks for checking out this little tech tip.